Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts 529 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2007 Ford Ranger Dual Cab XL Dual Cab Ute. Stock reference number 4258. This shape runs from the 12th month 2006 through to the 3rd month 2009. It has a WEAT 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. WEAT 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the roof. The bonnet appears to have no damage. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight. It's got a TJM steel bull bar with all bolts and brackets. It does have a little bit of a damage on the right in the centre of the front. We have the left-hand headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage, flared type. This vehicle's fitted with 15-inch steel rims. Left front has a good tyre. Left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Got a Max Engineering steel tray supplied with all bolts, brackets and lights. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts and brackets, left neck. 15-inch steel rim with a good ball tyre. Right hand rear door appears to have no damage. And a right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre.